OPEN stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Opendoor stock a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. I'm not even exaggerating. It's all documented on my YouTube channel, especially with Opendoor. Just it's been melting, right? 11% down. It's not small, but still, needless to say, it's like a big technically demand zone. And as long as we're sitting above, let's say like 155-ish, 150, yeah, just this low right here, you know, as long as we're above this low of 155, I'm Gucci to take things up as long as there is a confirmation, right? And this is a swing one, so I hope I see a double break confirmation here, because not only am I going to be in a swing long, but also like the intraday trades can all be biased towards this long side, and we can just go long on top of long, right? Now, it's obviously not financial advice. I do have a lot of receipts with Open as well. That's Gucci, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.